How do you customize the quick panel on your Samsung phone? So what we have to do is at first swipe down on the home screen like this to access the notifications as well as the control center, right? So you'll be able to get it there like this and essentially find the toggles and panels. And there is a settings icon in at the top right, but this one just moves us to the main settings page. We instead want to click on the pencil icon, which shows up at the top like this. So there's the little pencil icon like this, and this lets us make changes to this UI, to this interface. So we can click on edit for specifically the toggles like this, and we can reorganize, add or remove toggles from the quick panel. So a lot of people like to have like the, I don't know, flashlight or those common things, but there are even more. For example, there is the battery protection, which I'm going to add in here, right? I'm also going to move it somewhere closer to the top. And let's say that I don't like the take a screenshot toggle, so I'm going to click on the minus icon and it gets removed. So now you can see that the toggles have been reorganized and I have some new ones. I have removed some of the ones I don't like, and that's how you can make changes. But of course, there are even more things, like you can as well reorganize the whole panels in here, right? And you can also choose it to look however you want, or click on the panel settings and make some additional changes in here. But this is essentially as far as we can get with it. That's how it works. If you would, by the way, want to customize the look and a color of this quick panel, I made a separate dedicated tutorial just about that, so I'm going to link it below. Don't forget to subscribe to Foxtecc, and I'll see you later in that video as well.